I wanted to experience the beauty of the nature standing at the edge of a hill. Hence, I visited and experienced this blissful feeling in Lightroom. This is my second day in Meghalaya, and in this video I will cover a beautiful falls called Hue Sadong and a Grand Canyon called Lightroom. Friends, and today is the second day in Cherrapunji, so we stayed one night, and the next plan is that there is a good falls called Hue Sadong. We'll go and explore, because at this time, probably the beginning of March, it will be very difficult to get some water on the falls because of the dryness of this time. ये जो falls है ना, ये 3 layers पे है. It's not a single layer, so total 3 floors है इस falls का. And after exploring Hue Sadong, we'll go to a place called Lightroom, and that's a canyon, a beautiful valley and canyons there. And from Lightroom, we'll go back to Guwahati. So this is our plan today, and for the time being, we are having morning tea, and it's a beautiful weather. The weather is so the weather is changing frequently. Probably in the morning around 3 a.m. it was heavily raining, because at that time I was just enjoying the rain, because our rooms are having a clean shaded roof, so you can enjoy the sound of the rain.
यहाँ का रोड बहुत ही सुंदर है, मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है ऐसा टाइप ऑफ रोड, और ऊपर से व्यू तो बहुत ही अच्छा है.
एंड आपको जो साइड में क्लिफ था वो कैसा लगा? ऐसा लग रहा है गिर जाएंगे हम लोग.
गिरेंगे तो कहाँ जाएंगे?
बांग्लादेश.
My peace of mind, let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes, I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind.
फिलहाल हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत शूटिंग किया, एंड इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन गो टू द चैनल ऑफ माय वाइफ टू सी हर वीडियोस. एंड फॉर द टाइम बिंग हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, एंड ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद विल गो टू ए फॉल्स. ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी?
Ready and served.
Hey guys, can you see me right now? Okay, I think you can't see me. The reason is that we have been covered by dark clouds here, and the weather is frequently changing. Just few minutes back it was absolutely sunny. Now it's absolutely covered by black clouds. So it's 9 a.m. and probably by 10 we'll start from here. We have to finish the falls by 12, and then we'll go to Light Loop. It will take 1.5 hours from here.
I try to be seen. Then there's a feeling, you know what I mean. I let it all go out the window.
So now we have reached to a new place called Hue Sangdong Falls. Probably मैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन करेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं. ये 3 लेयर्स पे है फॉल्स, तो जाके देखते हैं. बट फॉर द टाइम बिंग आप सीढ़ियाँ देखिए, इट्स कम्प्लीटली स्टीप. यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा. लेट्स गो. ये जो ट्रैकिंग है ना, बिल्कुल भी इजी नहीं है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टीप सीढ़ियाँ है. सो मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर पाऊँगा कैमरा पे, बिकॉज आई हैव टू लुक डाउन, अदरवाइज आई विल फॉल. Even I cannot even put my full leg there, so I have to just bend myself. ऐसे एंगल करके उतरना पड़ रहा है, तो थोड़ा रिस्की है, but still आए तो देख के जाएंगे. You know what? From here I came. The nature is at its best here. Look at the place. From here you need to go. So this is the Hue Sangdong Falls, and it takes around 15 minutes from proper Cherrapunji. So if you want to enjoy, so do come here. It's a beautiful place, and spend some quality time here. I think it's a beautiful one. I think there are 3 layers in the falls. That's the unique feature. So probably the trekking will take around 30 minutes, and after trekking that you will reach to this beautiful place called Hue Sangdong Falls. Make sure you are fully fit to trek this one, and aged person मत आइए. But let me tell you, it's absolutely amazing. बहुत सुंदर है. अगर आप नीचे जब जाओगे ना, जो आपको suddenly जो व्यू दिखता है after doing a wonderful trekking and tiring trekking, the view you will see, आपका थकान suddenly गायब हो जाएगा देख के. So after watching Hue Sangdong Falls, now we are heading towards Light Loop. मेघालय पे ना बहुत सारे यूनिक चीज़ें देखने को मिलेगा आपको, बिकॉज मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा ऐसे कोई ओपन फील्ड पे आर्चरी कंपटीशन हो रहा है. So we have reached to new destination called Lightroom. This is a basically Grand Canyon cliffs. Rishita, are you feeling cold now?
Yes, it's very cold. I can't even breathe.
Why? Because of the wind.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, you know, this is what Lightroom is all about, and let me tell you, it's a beautiful place. If you are in Shillong or in Guwahati or nearby to Meghalaya, any places, must visit Lightroom, and you will really like this Grand Canyon as well as the cliffs, and the valleys are really awesome. यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा बहुत time spend कीजिए, and you need to enjoy the entire view, and you definitely will like it for sure. Okay, so we'll go from Lightroom right now, and we'll have some lunch, and then we'll go back to Guwahati. So जगदीश, आपको कैसा लगा घूम के हम लोगों के साथ?
बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत मज़ा आया।
Okay.
घुमा, इधर खाया, इधर उधर